And here are the big three: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. The easiest way to think about them is like this: learning with a teacher, learning all by yourself, and learning from trial and error. Let's dive into each one.
All right, first up is the one you see most often: supervised learning. And the analogy here is perfect. Imagine your student studying for a test with a big stack of flashcards. On the front is the question, and on the back you've got the correct answer.
That's exactly how this works. We feed the algorithm what's called labeled data. So, we give it thousands of pictures of cats that are all labeled cat, and thousands of pictures of dogs labeled dog. The algorithm just pores over all these examples, learning the patterns, pointy ears, whiskers, tails, that distinguish one from the other. The ultimate goal? For it to get so smart that when you show it a brand new picture it's never seen before, it can tell you, yep, that's a cat, all by itself.
And a huge application of this is something called classification. It's just a fancy word for sorting things into buckets. The absolute classic example is your email spam filter. Every time you mark an email as spam, you're teaching the algorithm. It learns from all those examples to automatically figure out if a new email belongs in your inbox or if it's just junk.
Or let's take a financial example. Imagine a bank. They have tons of historical data on their customers: income, savings, and, critically, whether they paid back their loans or not. That's the label. A supervised model can study all that past data to learn the difference between a high-risk applicant and a low-risk one.